Hello, how are you today? I hope you're okay. Well, today, we're going to talk about a very important subject for men's health, erectile dysfunction, and how a malleable penile prosthesis can be an effective solution. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a condition in which a man has difficulty getting or maintaining an erection sufficient for satisfactory sexual intercourse. This can profoundly affect a man's life, impacting his confidence, his relationships, and even his mental health. It's a more common problem than many people imagine and can occur for a variety of reasons, such as age, health problems such as diabetes and hypertension, or even psychological issues. To help you understand better, we will explain it in a simple and clear way. Imagine that the erection is like a balloon that fills with air. If there is a problem with the balloon or the air, it will not inflate properly. Likewise, if there is a problem with the blood vessels in the penis, or the nerves that control erection, penis does not become rigid as it should. There are many treatments available for erectile dysfunction, from medications to psychological therapies. However, for the most serious or refractory cases, those that do not respond to other treatments, the malleable penile prosthesis can be an excellent solution. This prosthesis is a medical device that helps restore rigidity to the penis, allowing a normal and satisfactory sex life. It is a practical and effective solution that can transform the lives of those who suffer from this problem. Now let's talk about what exactly a malleable penile prosthesis is. Imagine two flexible rods made of silicone or similar materials that are inserted into the penis during surgery. These rods allow the penis to become rigid enough for sexual intercourse. They are designed to be easy to use. When a man wants to have an erection, he simply straightens his penis into the desired position, and after sexual intercourse, he can bend it back. This makes the malleable penile prosthesis a practical and convenient solution for anyone who needs help maintaining an erection. Prosthesis is completely internal and doesn't show from the outside, so no one needs to know you're wearing it unless you want to tell them. It is a discreet and effective solution to a problem that can be very uncomfortable. Now let's explain better what a malleable penile prosthesis is and how it works. A malleable penile prosthesis is a medical device made from flexible rods, usually silicone or other biocompatible materials. These rods are surgically implanted into the corpora cavernosa of the penis, which are the two cylinders of spongy tissue that normally fill with blood, cause an erection. The function of these rods is to replace the natural erection mechanism, providing sufficient rigidity for penetration during sexual intercourse. When a man wants to have an erection, he simply straightens his penis into the desired position. And after sexual activity, he can bend it back to the resting state. This makes using the malleable penile prosthesis extremely simple and convenient. The process of implanting the prosthesis is relatively straightforward. During surgery, which is usually performed under general or local anesthesia with sedation, the surgeon makes a small incision at the base of the penis or in the scrotal area. Through this incision, the surgeon carefully inserts the malleable rods into the corpora cavernosa. The surgery typically takes about 1 to 2 hours, and most patients can go home the same day. After implantation, the prosthesis is completely hidden inside the penis, with no part visible externally. This means the prosthesis is discreet, and no one will know you have one unless you decide to tell them. Additionally, because the prosthesis is always in place, it does not require any special preparation before sexual activity, unlike other treatment options that may require medication or external devices. Another important point to consider is the safety and effectiveness of the malleable penile prosthesis. Studies and clinical experience have shown that this type of prosthesis offers a reliable solution for severe erectile dysfunction, especially in cases where other treatments have not been effective. The satisfaction rate among men who opt for this procedure is generally very high, not only due to the restoration of erectile function, but also due to the improvement in quality of life and self-esteem. It is important to remember that, like any surgery, the implantation of a malleable penile prosthesis has some risks, such as infection or rejection of the implant. However, these risks are low when the surgery is performed by an experienced doctor and all post-surgery care recommendations are followed. The benefits of this prosthesis. It is very easy to use because it does not require external devices. Just adjust the penis in the desired position. The prosthesis always stays in place and no one can see it. It's something that stays inside the body, very discreet. With the prosthesis, the penis is always ready for sex. There is no more worry about lack of erection. It helps maintain an active and satisfying sex life, which can improve couples' confidence. Procedure and post-operation. The procedure for implanting the prosthesis is simple. The doctor performs the surgery with the patient under anesthesia. Recovery varies from person to person, but the doctor will give all the necessary instructions to take good care of the implant and ensure that everything heals correctly. It is very important to follow all the doctor's instructions after surgery. For example, avoiding sex until everything is completely healed. It is also essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle and see your doctor regularly for checkups. The procedure for implanting the prosthesis is simple. The doctor performs the surgery with the patient under anesthesia. Recovery varies from person to person, but the doctor will give all the necessary instructions to take good care of the implant and ensure that everything heals correctly. It is very important to follow all the doctor's instructions after surgery. For example, avoiding sex until everything is completely healed. And finally, I want to reinforce that the malleable penile prosthesis is a great option for men who suffer from severe erectile dysfunction. With it, medical advice will help ensure the best results and a fulfilling sex life. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you or someone you know is experiencing erection problems, don't hesitate to see a urology specialist. Men's health is very important and deserves all the attention. Leave your like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive valuable content about men's health and urology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.